Stuck with default Odoo fonts that make your site look generic? You're one click away from full control. Learn to change paragraph and heading fonts in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click, from opening the editor to saving your custom fonts. No wasted time, just quick steps. Start by navigating to the home page of your Odoo site. Then go ahead and open your website so we can make changes. Now click on Edit at the top right corner to enter edit mode. Once you're in, click on Theme to open the theme options. Here, you can change the font for paragraph text. Locate the font family option for that. Click on the drop-down to see the font choices. Then choose the font you want. You can also change the font of headings the same way. Again, locate the font family for headings. Click on that drop-down as well. And pick the font you prefer. Finally, click on Save at the top right corner to save your changes, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.